Chapter 5. The Climate of India. Weather and Climate. Weather refers to the conditions of sunshine, rain, wind and temperature in a place at a certain time. Climate refers to the weather of a place over a long period of time. For example, when we say that it is cold in the Himalayas and humid in the coastal regions, we are actually talking about the climate of these places. We know that different parts of India have different landforms. The climate changes as we move from one kind of landform to another. The climate of a place also depends upon factors such as the direction of the prevailing wind at a particular time of the year. It also depends on the distance of the place from the equator. Seasons of India. Important seasons of India include winter, spring, summer, monsoon and autumn. Winter. Winter starts in November and lasts till February in India. In most parts of the country, December and January are the coldest months. The days are short and the nights are long. It gets very cold in the northern mountains and the northern plains. It rains in the plains when the mountains get snowfall. Spring. The time between end of winter and beginning of summer is spring season. It is the most pleasant time of the year as it is neither too hot nor too cold. Many trees get new leaves and flowers during spring. Summer. In India, summer season starts in mid-March and lasts till June. The temperature is high and it is hot in this season. The days are longer than the nights in summer. In summer, most parts of India, except for the hills, remain hot and dry. The hot, dry wind called Loo is common in North India during summer. However, sea breeze brings some relief to the coastal regions. Monsoon. The rainy season or the monsoon arrives in India in the month of June and ends sometime in September. Monsoon winds blow from the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea. The winds carry moisture and form clouds that cause rain. However, rain is the main source of water on the earth. Many rivers, lakes and ponds depend on it for water. The farmers in many parts of the country depend on the rains. Rajasthan hardly receive any rainfall. Meghalaya is one of the wettest places on the earth. Very heavy rainfall causes adverse impacts like water-logging floods, landslides, etc. Autumn. Autumn comes after the rainy season before winter. The weather is cool and pleasant. Many trees shed their leaves during this season.